Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to paint a peaceful forest lake surrounded by glowing trees, crystal clear water, and rocky shores. This painting is a perfect exercise for practicing light, reflections, and creating depth in a natural landscape. So let's get started. I begin by mixing two shades using blue, white, and just a touch of black. One mixture is slightly lighter, while the other is a little darker. I apply the lighter color to the upper part of the canvas and gently blend the darker tone underneath it. This simple transition creates a soft, atmospheric background and immediately adds depth to the painting. Next, I mix a deep forest green by adding yellow and a little black to my previous mixture. I apply this color beneath the background to establish the distant tree line. Now let's paint the lake. I mix blue and yellow to create a beautiful turquoise green and apply it with horizontal brushstrokes across the water. Horizontal strokes naturally help the water feel calm and still. For the foreground, I mix yellow, red, and black to create a rich, dark brown. This becomes the base color for the rocky shoreline beneath the clear water. Establishing these darker values first makes it much easier to build realistic details later. Now I return to the distant forest. I create a soft, light green and gently suggest the shapes of the trees in the background. They remain slightly blurred because distance naturally reduces detail. As I move closer to the foreground, I gradually brighten the mixture and make each layer of trees more defined. Trees catching more sunlight receive brighter highlights, while the lower sections shift toward cooler blue-green tones to suggest shade and depth. To increase contrast, I deepen some of the shadow areas between the trees. This creates separation between the layers and gives the forest a much stronger three-dimensional appearance. Using my small round brush, I carefully add bright highlights to the outer edges of the foliage. These glowing touches make it look as though sunlight is filtering through the leaves from behind. I also paint a few slender tree trunks peeking through the forest to add more realism. Next, I define the shoreline and paint small bushes along both sides of the lake. Then I mix a deep green using yellow, blue, and a touch of red to block in a large foreground shrub. For now, I only establish the dark base layer and let the highlights come later. Before moving on, I paint the reflections of the brighter bushes in the water. Reflections are essential because they connect the landscape with the lake and create a peaceful atmosphere. Once the base layer has settled, I begin highlighting the foreground shrub. I work from bright yellow-green highlights into darker greens, allowing the colors to blend naturally. Keeping the edges irregular and organic is the key to making bushes look full and realistic instead of stiff or artificial. Now I mix a warm light brown and begin painting the rocks along the shoreline in the foreground. After blocking in their basic shapes, I lighten the mixture and add another layer of highlights to define each individual rock. Dark lines and shadows between them help separate the stones and create convincing texture. Using the same darker mixture, I paint several larger rocks around the edge of the lake. Since these rocks are dry, I use brighter highlights on their upper surfaces to make them stand out from the wet stones beneath the water. Finally, I complete the reflections in the lake and add soft, shimmering highlights across the water's surface. These small touches capture the sparkle of sunlight and bring the entire painting to life. With the last highlights carefully placed, today's peaceful forest lake painting is complete. I hope you enjoyed painting along with me and found this tutorial both relaxing and inspiring. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new acrylic painting lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy painting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.